Good day to be doing this. It's a rainy day outside. So, kind of a good day to be in the garage and doing what we're doing. So here we go. That looks pretty good. Okay, this is the second part of caulking this vent. Again, I'm not that good at this stuff. I did try to get some of the old sealant out as best as I could. If this doesn't work, I'm going to end up taking the whole vent up and redoing the whole thing, resetting it. I'm using Flex 1 construction sealant. That's my that's stuff. Amazon. I'm going to tape the area first. I also learned that you should take rags with you when you seal. I'm also going to set up something to put tools in and take tools out of so I don't damage the roof of my trailer. So that's it. So we'll get going here. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is put a little piece of tape out a little ways on here to try to keep the first thing we're going to do is find the end of the tape, wherever that may be. That looks like it right there. Yeah. Again, I'm not an expert at this, so that's about what I'm going to call it right there. It's not bad. Okay, I didn't need a scissors. And I left maybe, I don't know, I'm guessing about 1/8 of an inch onto the trailer top. You'll also notice that I don't have my don't have any shoes on. That's again an attempt by me not to mark up the top of my trailer. So there you go. That's about 1/8 of an inch. There we go. I think that's going to be all right. We'll see. Oops. That's kind of crappy. Okay, this is just painter's tape. That's all it is. Painter's tape. Should come up nice and easy. Or at least that's what it's supposed to do. Let's put a little in here and see what that does. Or a couple of things you got to do to open the Flex. You got to cut off the tip here, and you want to do that with a knife on an angle, as far as I know. So I get a nice little angle there. I don't know if you can see it. That's done. And supposedly, you gotta stick something down in here, and there's a seal in there that gotta be broken. I can feel it. There it is, Flex. Okay. So we broke the seal. You want to make sure you do that. And now we're ready to make a mess. Again, don't take anything up there that you've already messed with. Now we're gonna do this. I hate to do it. Furthest side first, I think. Drop it off the trailer. Oh, God. Damn it. There you go. Come on. Well, I got up there with my shoes on. So you can see I do things wrong. But most of the mess is down here, which is good. You can kind of see it. That's the job, I think. We'll see if it leaks. Not right now, but we will. Flex 1, and that's as good as I can do. My battery died, so I don't know how much of it I got. The camera was turned the wrong way, and the last part of it I got up on top of the roof with my shoes on. So I'm a complete failure as far as all this stuff goes. But that's it. I've done my job, and that's the video. Resealing my vent. Hopefully it counts.